So let's take a look at our 2017 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate Edition. This is such a great vehicle for so many reasons. This is basically the Mercedes-Benz of trucks. You've got so many great luxury features, everything from heated to cooled seats. This thing is absolutely loaded. Now the best part about this vehicle, certified pre-owned, you've also got a clean car proof, meaning it's never been in an accident, no damage records whatsoever. And like I said, the previous owner kept this thing in mint condition, as you could see here. Take a look at these 22-inch chrome aluminum wheels. Absolutely amazing rims. One of the nicest wheels you're ever going to see on a truck. Plenty of tread left on those tires. They're very new tires, so you're not going to have to worry about replacing those. You've got the HID lights on the front with LED daytime running lights that go around. Fog lamps, chrome front bumper with that signature Denali grille. And under the hood, you're going to find a 6.2 liter. Very powerful engine here. You could get all your towing done, and that's going to be paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission for great highway fuel economy. You do have the chromed mirror caps over here, chrome door handles, and power retractable running boards, which is a great feature that's going to make getting into this truck a lot easier. Allow me to walk around the back real quick here. Power sliding rear window, of course. You've got the Denali branded spray-on box liner, of course. Take a better look at those wheels. You do have the rear bumper step, which is going to allow you to step into the back of the box a lot easier. Back parking sensors, trailer tow package. And my favorite feature is the easy lift lower tailgate that's not going to slam when you open that up. Makes everything a lot easier when you're on the job site. Now you're probably wondering, does this vehicle have remote start? Yes, it does. You've not only got remote start, you've got access to the OnStar app, which is going to allow you to start this truck from absolutely anywhere, as long as you've got an internet connection. So we're going to demonstrate that remote start feature here with the key fob. Just hit the lock button once and hold down remote start. And there you go. Now let's take a look inside this Denali Ultimate. You've got the jet black leather interior combo. Really nice, really clean. Just came out of detail, guys. Denali badging embroidered onto the leather seats themselves. This is French stitched leather. Really nice, perforated, heated and cooled seats for maximum comfort. You've got the power adjustable controls with lumbar adjustment, as well as behind your steering wheel, you're going to find your trailer brake controller, your auto 4x4, and your light controls. And on the door panel itself, you've got your memory seat settings, which is going to recall your seat and mirror position. Power adjustable mirrors here, which are power folding. You've also got the one touchdown windows. Bose premium audio system in this vehicle. One of the best in the business, but you're going to have to come on down to listen to it for yourself. And rubber mats, GMC branded, for the front and back. Now that we're inside the GMC Sierra Denali, I'm going to show you some of the main selling features about this truck. You've got the 8-inch LCD display on the front, fully digital dash. You could configure that using the buttons here below. That'll show your fuel economy, your trip counter, your radio, your navigation, basically whatever you want to display up there. Customize it however you like. You've got the cruise controls on the left-hand side with forward collision alert and your heated steering wheel option. Nice Denali badging up here. Now the gear selector itself, when you put it into reverse, is going to activate your backup camera, and this does feature trajectory, so the lines are going to turn and guide you into your parking spot, which is pretty neat. You've got the tow mode right up here on your column shifter, as well as the 8-inch touchscreen is going to feature Bluetooth phone pairing, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and basically a whole bunch of other media connectivity options like USB and auxiliary, all the standard stuff. Really nice and easy to use. You've actually got access to a shop to download more apps such as Spotify, the Weather Network, whatever else. You've got your hard radio controls located right down here, as well as your dual zone climate controls with the LCD display, which is going to let you know what your temperature is set at. You've got the 9-way heated and cooled seats here for the fronts. Very, very nice. Down here, we're going to touch on a few of these features. Power adjustable steps, traction control. You've got your box light, your parking sensors, lane departure warning, hill descent assist, and your running boards, which you could configure to open or stay in when you open the doors. You've got the USB ports, DC charge outlets, as well as a full house outlet if you want to plug in your laptop while you're on the go. Wireless charging mat comes standard here on the armrest, and inside the armrest itself you're going to find some more USB ports and auxiliary. So GMC definitely likes to keep you plugged in. You've got plenty of connectivity options for all your devices. Keep everything charged up on those road trips. OnStar buttons located on the auto dimming mirror. You've got your garage door transmitter up here on the ceiling, as well as slide tilt sunroof controls, rear power sliding window, and your dome lights. Now here's a better look at that sunroof, and look at all the space you've got back here in the GMC Sierra Denali. Now, backseat space in the GMC Sierra is great for a couple reasons. You've got the crew cab model, so obviously you've got a lot more interior space. But another cool feature I like about these trucks is you could easily lift up those back seats to convert to cargo space if that's what you're looking for, rather than hauling people around. You've got the armrest in here with a cup holder, as well as another charge outlet and plenty of storage back here. So everybody's comfortable no matter where you sit in this truck. And once again, those rubber mats are going to help keep everything nice and tidy in terms of keeping your carpet clean. So overall, if you're looking to upgrade your truck and get into one of GM's flagship products, this is a great unit we have on our lot here. It's reasonably priced. You've got certified pre-owned warranty, of course, and this thing is built to last. So I invite you over to McNaught to come take a look at it for yourself, and our sales professionals will help you out.